Vitamin D emerges as a remarkable modulator of autophagy, bridging the worlds of immunity and brain health through its far-reaching effects on cellular housekeeping. When vitamin D binds to its receptor, the vitamin D receptor, VDR, this complex can move into the cell nucleus and directly influence the expression of autophagy-related genes. By activating key genes like ATG5 and BECLN1, vitamin D ensures that cells are equipped with the molecular tools to form autophagosomes, the specialized vesicles that engulf damaged or unnecessary cellular components. In immune cells such as macrophages, this vitamin D-driven enhancement of autophagy plays a crucial role in clearing pathogens. Macrophages rely on autophagy to degrade engulfed bacteria and viruses, preventing chronic infections and reducing inflammatory spillover into surrounding tissues. The connection between vitamin D and autophagy extends beautifully into neural health as well. Neurons, which must maintain their structure and function over decades, are especially vulnerable to the accumulation of misfolded proteins and damaged organelles, hallmarks of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Here, vitamin D appears to stimulate neuronal autophagy, enabling neurons to clear toxic protein aggregates before they can disrupt cell signaling or trigger cell death. Studies suggest that adequate vitamin D levels can protect against cognitive decline by reducing oxidative stress and supporting efficient autophagic flux in neurons, helping preserve synaptic connections that are essential for learning and memory. This dual benefit in both immune and neural systems highlights vitamin D's unique role as a conductor of cellular resilience. By enhancing autophagy, vitamin D not only strengthens the immediate immune response to infections, but also supports long-term brain health, reducing the risk of chronic neuroinflammation and degeneration. These positive connections suggest that maintaining optimal vitamin D status through moderate sun exposure, fortified foods, or supplements may help orchestrate a cleaner, more adaptable cellular environment. In doing so, vitamin D promotes a robust defense against acute illnesses and lays the groundwork for a sharper, healthier mind throughout life. This illustrates how nutrition isn't merely about meeting basic needs, but can actively regulate our body's deepest self-preservation mechanisms, empowering our cells to survive, repair, and thrive in the face of daily stressors.